Hi, good morning everyone. So today I am going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is liver abscess or pyogenic liver abscess. Basically pyogenic liver abscess एक pocket of pus formation होती है that occurs in your liver due to any infection but particularly bacterial infection. नाउ पस जो है वो कैसे फॉर्म होती है? इट इज़ बेसिकली composed fluid that is composed of WBCs, that is the white blood cells, and the dead cells that form when the body fights infection. Now it is usually accompanied with swelling and inflammation in the surrounding area of the liver, and after that the pain and the swelling may get aggravated or increase and involve the abdomen eventually, and it can prove fatal if it is not treated properly. Now, what are the causes of the biliary abscess or the pyogenic liver abscess? So the most common cause of this is biliary disease. It is a broad term that is used for conditions in the biliary tree that affects the liver, the pancreas, and the gallbladder. Now 50% of the liver abscesses, they are caused due to an infected or inflamed common bile duct. What are the other risk factors that are included in this are: first, the bacteria from a ruptured appendix that may leak into the abdomen and eventually involve the liver and cause an abscess in the liver. Second could be a pancreatic cancer cause, then colon cancer. Then there could be patients who have infection of the blood or septicemia due to any other causes. Then in patients who have inflammatory bowel disease like diverticulitis or perforated bowels. And then sixth would be trauma to the liver due to injury or any severe accident the patient may have. And seventh is the diabetes mellitus, because in that case the patients usually get more easily prone to infections, especially bacterial infections. Now, what are the symptoms of the pyogenic liver abscess? So the most common symptoms are chills, fever, vomiting, upper abdominal pain हो सकता है पेशेंट को, सडन लॉस हो सकता है वेट का पेशेंट में within even a few weeks. Then patients' urine may turn dark color. They may have white or grey colored stools due to the loss of bile, and then diarrhea may occur. So these are some of the symptoms that are usually seen in patients with pyogenic liver abscess. अब इसके डायग्नोसिस हम कैसे कंफर्म करते हैं कि पेशेंट को वाकई में ये है या कोई और कारण है? So for that, usually the patient is sent for an abdominal ultrasound to locate where the abscess is. Then a CT scan is done with an infected dye or injected dye to find or measure the size of the abscess in the liver. Then they may be sent for blood tests to see if there is any increase in the WBCs, and especially if it's an acute infection, there might be increase in the neutrophil levels. And then there may be blood cultures that can be done for bacterial growth to see if what kind of antibiotics the patient might need for the treatment. Besides that, they may also be sent for an MRI of the abdomen to check for any other surrounding areas that might get involved, such as in cases of peritonitis or in case of perforated bowels. So in those cases also the patient may be sent for an MRI scan. Now, what is the treatment that is required for this case? Is that firstly, the first line of treatment usually given is antibiotics. After that, they may be done for a drainage of the abscess, and then surgery may be done in severe cases, because this condition may prove very life-threatening in some cases, and immediate surgery might be required in some cases. Now, what is the prevention? जनरली जो लिवर एब्सेस है ये यूजुअली प्रिवेंटेबल नहीं है, अनलेस कुछ स्टेप्स पेशेंट ले सकता है उसकी रिस्क को डिक्रीज़ करने के लिए. सो इसके अंदर पेशेंट को यूजुअली अपनी हाइजीन एंड फूड सेफ्टी ज़रूरी है पेशेंट को. उनको अपने हैंड्स प्रॉपरली वॉश करने चाहिए, स्पेशली बिफोर हैविंग देयर मील्स या यूजिंग द वॉशरूम्स. Then they should avoid any contaminated food or water. If they are non-vegetarian, then they should cook their meat thoroughly. And in cases of some, there might be hepatitis B or hepatitis C infections. So to reduce those risks, they may need to go for vaccinations. Now, अब इसके हम होम्योपैथिक मैनेजमेंट की अगर बात करें तो what is the homeopathic management or treatment for this disease? So in this case, usually the patient is given symptomatic treatment depending upon what the patient's symptoms are and what actually they are experiencing due to the abscess. So अगर for example अगर patient को abscess के साथ चक्कर आ रहे हैं या उनको nausea है, then Theridion is a very good medicine for that. अगर patient को liver के साथ heart का involvement है, then medicines such as digitalis, cactus or some other medicines that are along with the heart symptoms can be given. Then in patients who have alcoholism or delirium tremors, यानी कि जो patients बहुत ज़्यादा drink करते हैं और उसके कारण उनको अगर abscess हुआ है liver में, then in those cases medicines like sulfur, Nux vomica, Avena sativa and opium may be useful depending upon what symptoms they are having. कुछ केसेस में अगर biliary disease cause है abscess का, then in those cases medicines such as Berberis vulgaris, Dioscorea, Nux vomica, Quasar or Nesternum or some medicines like Taraxicum can be very good to treat the case of the biliary disease. If patient is having anti-alcoholic drinks or there is then in those cases to prevent their recurrence, they may be advised to take orange juice. Antium crude medicine is a good for that. Then medicines like ranunculus, Nux vomica or capsicum or sterculenia may be useful, or even in some cases sulfur may be needed depending upon if they are having any skin conditions associated with the liver abscess. There is redness or itching due to the accumulation of the toxins in the body, thereby affecting the skin as well. So in those cases, medicines such as more indicated towards the skin conditions can be given, and eventually the underlying cause can be treated with proper diet and management, and in a few months the patient may get totally revived back. However, in cases of acute emergencies, it is important to note that if there is rupture of the abscess, there is suppuration that has spread to the body and there is septicemia in the whole body, then in those cases antibiotics may also be needed in some cases, or surgery may be advised, and a follow-up should be done for at least 6 months to see if there is any recurrence of the disease or not. So these were some of the homeopathic management and medicines that can be done for this case. So this was a short informative video on pyogenic liver abscess, and in case you found it useful and got some good information, please like and follow our channel, and have a great day. Thank you.